Have you ever had a Word document with lots of images, and when you printed the document, the images went all over the place? Yeah, well, me too. I found the solution by saving my Word document as a PDF file before printing. Continue watching to learn how. As you can see, I have a document here already open in Word. It's a document with a lot of pictures. In order to convert it to a PDF file, I will click on File. Once File is open, I scroll down to Save As. Now, Save As, you have two choices to save where you want to save it, to your computer, personal drive, or if you want to add another place. I'm going to use my computer and I'm going to save in Documents. From the bar that opened, the new box, I'm going to go down to Save As Type and change that to PDF. Then I click on Save. Okay, now there you have it. My document is now converted to a PDF file, and I will have no issues whatsoever when printing. All my pictures would remain intact.